Well, Delhi verdict that will be out in less than 24 hours as the EVM machines will be revealing the parties and their candidates' fates as the majority in the exit polls that have given the BJP this time a clear mandate. However, when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party chief and former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal hit out at the exit poll predictions, labeling them as fake surveys. As Kejriwal also alleged that 16 Aam Aadmi Party candidates have received calls that if they leave the Aam Aadmi Party and join the BJP, then the BJP will make them ministers and give them 15 crore rupees each. Kejriwal also questioned if, according to the exit poll, why the BJP was trying to poach the Aam Aadmi Party candidates. Even AAP MP Sanjay Singh alleged that 7 of the party's MLAs allegedly had received calls to join the BJP and were offered 15 crores. And now the BJP says that this shows the impact of the exit polls on the Aam Aadmi Party, which has already accepted defeat, with the BJP claiming that the Aam Aadmi Party leaders have lost their mental balance.
7 विधायकों से अब तक संपर्क किया गया है। उन्होंने हमको फोन करके बताया कि 15-15 करोड़ का ऑफर बीजेपी की तरफ से दिया जा रहा है। ऑपरेशन लोटस हार की हताशा में बीजेपी ने अभी से शुरू कर दिया है।
आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता संजय सिंह एक बार फिर अपना मानसिक संतुलन खो बैठे हैं। राजनीतिक नौटंकीबाजी इससे अधिक गिर नहीं सकती जब संजय सिंह भाजपा पर यह आरोप लगा रहे हैं कि भाजपा ने उनके विधायकों को पैसे देकर के या पैसे देने का प्रलोभन दिया है। अब क्योंकि दिल्ली में आम आदमी पार्टी का सूपड़ा साफ हो रहा है, ये साफ तौर पर दिखाता है कि संजय सिंह में और आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं में कितनी हताशा और निराशा है।
Now, even when it comes to the reactions and the bitter war of words that continues, Aam Aadmi Party has rejected the exit poll predictions. AAP leader Sushil Gupta stating that the exit polls have historically underestimated Aam Aadmi Party's performance in Delhi elections and has expressed confidence for a favorable mandate.
हम सीधा सरकार में आते हैं, सर्वे में नहीं आते। 8 तारीख को आप देखेंगे आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी। केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडल से लेके राज्यों के मुख्यमंत्रियों तक और आधे से ज्यादा विधायक और आधे से ज्यादा सांसद दिल्ली में डेरा डाले रहे, परंतु केजरीवाल दोबारा आ रहे हैं।
One of the another wild allegations coming from Team Kejriwal. And this is a party that is imploding. Perhaps they are seeing the writing on the wall. Already ex-MLAs left their party, joined the BJP. At that time they were quiet. Now that they know that the results are going to be against them, they are not going to sweep Delhi. Suddenly they are making these wild allegations, and Mr. Kejriwal and his colleagues make the most wild allegations and make the most outlandish statements and have no basis of it. Look at it. Delhi ki pani mein zahar milaya ja raha hai. I mean, is that a statement that you would expect from someone who has been a former chief minister?
इसका क्या मतलब है? अभी तो यही नहीं पता कौन विधायक रहेगा कि नहीं। परसों काउंटिंग है, आज रात को कोई विधायक शिफ्ट भी कर जाता है तो क्या शिफ्ट करेगा? वो डब्बे सबके सील हो गए हैं। जो हम लोग विधायक बनेंगे नहीं बनेंगे वो हमको 8 तारीख को पता चलेगा। तो कोई पार्टी किसी को क्या पैसे ऑफर करेगी मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है। हाँ, ये कह सकते हैं कि हमारे लोग जीत रहे हैं, उन्हें ये करना चाहते हैं, चलो मैं फिर भी बात मानूं। कौन जीतेगा क्या नहीं जीतेगा, ये इतनी घबराहट क्यों है आम आदमी पार्टी में, मुझे नहीं इस बात को समझ में आ रहा।
Now, even the Aam Aadmi Party, which has leveled accusations against the BJP, alleging attempts to poach their MLAs with an offer of 15 crore rupees each. Listen in when it comes to this heated discussion that had happened. Exactly what may be the outcome? Well, that would be clear tomorrow only.
Secondly, these fabricated surveys, they are being used to create a false narrative and lure our candidates. Every time we brought this in a public domain, the BJP or the news agencies used to ask us, where's the evidence, where's the evidence? Here's the evidence. I am giving you the phone number of the leader from the Bharatiya Janata Party who has called our MLA Mukesh Ahlawat.
Mukesh Ahlawat, who's the leader? Who's the leader you're naming?
Given the
it's sensational if you're saying that a BJP leader has called. I will give Pradeep.
We have.
Please recognize the number, Pradeep ji.
We have provided the number, and if the BJP is winning the elections, then why do they need to poach our candidates? अगर ये जीत रहे हैं तो क्या क्यों खरीदना चाहते हो?
No. You tell the number.
No, I challenge you. You have in the past also apologized to a lot of leaders in information cases. You have to apologize again. Tell the number.
Zoom करिए.
नंबर बताइए.
साफ दिखना चाहिए.
Okay, we are
नंबर साफ दिखना
recording
चाहिए.
the number.
Record करिए.
हाँ, पढ़ो,
All
लिखिए.
right, Pradeep
लिखिए
Bhandari,
number.
he is giving a number. Please respond.
Well, first of all, nobody in this country
नंबर
takes
लिखिए.
Arvind Kejriwal seriously. जो व्यक्ति अपने
कॉल
बच्चों के
करो,
सर की झूठी
लाइव,
कसम खा सकता
अभी
है,
कॉल
वो भी कर
करो.
सकता है. Prove it.
इस नंबर
Anmol,
पे-
listen to me. I was Navika ji. I was
इस
listening to
नंबर पे अभी
his.
कॉल करो ना.
अरे हाँ तो नंबर
अभी
भेज
करो
दीजिए.
कॉल.
टाइम्स
आप
नाउ का
कॉल
नंबर
करो,
भेज
नंबर
दो.
पे-
इसी वक्त चीज हो जाएगा कॉल. मैं ओपनली चैलेंज कर रहे हैं आपको बताऊंगा.
तो
कौन
कॉल
बोलते
करो
हैं.
ना.
अगस्त 25 2022 को और कोई इलेक्शन नहीं था. अरविंद केजरीवाल ने बोला 40 MLAs are targeted by the Bharatiya Janata Party with offer of 52 seats. He still could not even name a single MLA. Arvind Kejriwal is a man who lied on his own children कि बच्चों की सर की जो व्यक्ति झूठी कसम खाए वो कुछ भी हद तक कर सकते हैं. Anmol, I challenge you. You will face a defamation suit. You will have to apologize. Tell the number. Give it to the Times Now. आप Times Now को दो. This is heights of falsehood.
All right, I'm clicking a screenshot. Please send the number to Pradeep Bhandari. I'm telling them that. But the question raised by Anand Ranganath, sensational claim being made here. I don't know. The channel takes no liability for any defamation case that happens. But Anmol Pawar of the Aam Aadmi Party is alleging that there is a number of a BJP leader from which Mr. Ehlawat of the Aam Aadmi Party has got a call.
Well, let's get in a word from Pradeep and Isha, who both of them are joining us live right now. Pradeep, good morning. Of course, what the people of Delhi think would be the outcome tomorrow as the results would be out. Of course, all of this war of words and this bitter battle that has been happening may happen. As far as the result will it have any impact or any bearing on that? That remains to be seen. But however, when it comes to the voter turnout, that has been recorded lesser than the previous 10 years that have been recorded back, when it comes to 2015 and 2020. How and what are the people of Delhi thinking कि कल कौन सरकार बनाएगा in the national capital?
Very, very good morning. Yes, you're absolutely right. Now 24 hours left, and after that the EVM machines will be opening and one will get to know what way the political pendulum is swinging. Already the bitter war of words is continuing between the Aam Aadmi Party as well as the BJP. Let me talk to the people. I'm here at the Lodi ground. The cross-section of people from different parts of Delhi are here. They are morning walkers. They are performing yoga here. Let me talk to them and find out what they really think. क्या लगता है कल किसकी सरकार आने वाली है?
सरकार तो बीजेपी की ही आएगी और आनी भी चाहिए. मोदी जैसे हमारे को जो मिले हैं उनके आप देखना, मोदी जी के बाद उनके मंदिर बनेंगे. योगी जी के बिशक ना बने, मोदी जी के जरूर बनेंगे. ये
आपको क्यों लगता है कि बीजेपी सरकार आने वाली है?
क्योंकि कोई काम ही नहीं हुआ. 10 साल 11 साल केजरीवाल की सरकार ने कोई काम नहीं किया. आप सब देखो, आप कहीं भी चले जाओ, पैसा खाया ही गया है. शराब घोटाला, कितने घोटाले इन्होंने किए हैं, कोई सोच नहीं सकता.
There are many women also with us because we have seen that many women-centric schemes were announced by each and every party trying to woo women voters. What you really feel? Which government is finally going to come? Because already we are seeing pollsters are predicting it's going to be clean sweep for BJP. What the people are saying, let me ask you.
It is a very interesting election, and I do agree with what you have said, because women have not been feeling very safe under the current administration. And we do feel the Modi Sarkar, the BJP Sarkar has lots to offer to women. And they have announced lots of schemes, and I'm sure same will happen in Delhi. But what I feel most happy about is that we want the same government to be in state and center, so that there's no conflict and the government will run smoothly. We want a government which is smooth and which is functional, which delivers, and I think BJP will.
So they are saying that the BJP is going to come because they are a very important point made, because they want the same government to be in the center and same government to be in the Delhi, because there is not going to be any kind of a conflict. क्या कहना चाहते हैं? आपको क्या लगता है which government is going to come? कल कौन सरकार बनाने जा रहा है?
बीजेपी सर.
बीजेपी बना रहा है. क्यों ऐसा कॉन्फिडेंस है?
डेवलपमेंट. 100% डेवलपमेंट.
You believe what actually Modi ji is saying?
Yes sir.
So everybody believes that it is Modi's guarantee. So when there is a guarantee over Modi's guarantee, so obviously the people will say BJP. आपको क्या लगता है? लगता है? क्या लगता है कौन सा? The youngsters are also there. Let me speak to the youngsters also. Youth.
Country's future depends on hard-working people, not only common people, all people from all classes. So, सबका साथ, सबका विकास. ये हम लोग सारा
केजरीवाल ने भी बड़े वादे करे कि आपको लगता क्यों यकीन नहीं आ रही है?
In fact, I would say Mr. Manish Sisodia did a lot of work, good work for education, and I was closely involved with government schools. I think he did a very, very good job with.
But do you think that this time it will be BJP?
I'm quite apolitical myself. I voted for another party, not for BJP, and I didn't vote for Aam Aadmi Party either.
It's your choice. We are not
I
saying-
voted for the candidate. So the way I look at it, everyone should vote for the better candidate, and whoever's the better candidate, let them be in the fray, regardless of political leanings. They're the ones who will be in charge of development. And
There are
we should-
youngsters also with us. Let me speak to her also. आप आइए जरा सामने. What do you think? कल कौन सी सरकार आने वाली है इस बार? Because we have seen for 10 years it was the dominance of Aam Aadmi Party. But do you think that this time it will be BJP?
Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party.
Aam Aadmi Party आएगी. What makes you believe that it will be Aam Aadmi Party?
Feelings.
लगता है. See, there are some people, they feel that Aam Aadmi Party will be there because already Aam Aadmi Party people had been saying that how these surveys are being fabricated, they are running the fake narrative, and some people even went on to say that it was a kind of a spa, the companies who are going for the survey. Let me speak to more people. क्या लगता है इस बार आपको?
8 तारीख को पता चलेगा.
8 तारीख को पता चलेगा, लेकिन आपको क्या लग रहा है? बीजेपी आएगी या आम आदमी पार्टी आएगी?
नहीं, बीजेपी आएगी.
बीजेपी आएगी. क्यों लगता है कि बीजेपी आएगी इस बार?
क्योंकि जैसे मोस्टली हम लोगों से सुनते हैं कि उन्होंने 10 साल कुछ नहीं किया, तो लोग अब अंदर जाके किसको वोट देंगे ये नहीं पता. लेकिन मतलब जो लोग कह रहे हैं कि विकास होना चाहिए और यही पार्टी.
आप क्या कह रही हैं?
मेरे हिसाब से देश में विकास होना चाहिए और मोदी इज बेस्ट.
आपका क्या लगता है? Which party is going to come?
बीजेपी.
The smile on their faces say it's a BJP because most of the people, the verdict here in the Lodi Garden is for the BJP because they feel this is the party that has delivered in the past.
Well, Pradeep can't say, but what the people are thinking seems to be reflecting on the exit poll and the multiple surveys that have also been conducted where they have been giving a clear majority to the BJP as well. So it's a bright, chilly morning in the national capital tomorrow. We'll see if this is, when it comes to this battle, that intense results that have now been expected as far as the fight for Delhi is now concerned. Because we've heard the people on ground. We are also looking at as far as the multiple surveys there. So let's take a look exactly what Access My India projection there are, because 70 seats in Delhi, 36 is the majority mark, and here is BJP Plus getting the seat share crossing the majority mark of 45 and 55. So vote share percent, it is gaining at least 48%. Let's talk about the Aam Aadmi Party here, not even close to the majority mark, 15 to 25, 42%. This has been a drop, a significant drop in the vote share of the Aam Aadmi Party. Congress again, will it be a hat trick of zeros remains to be seen. Another drop that we are looking at. So this is Access My India projection that we are playing for our viewers, and there have been several such projections that have now come across as far as today's Chanakya is also concerned. Let's play out exactly. When it comes to 51 seats going to the BJP here, another majority for the BJP here. Distant second is the Aam Aadmi Party. As far as the others are also concerned, it is not even taken the Congress Party here into consideration as a triangular fight that was being talked about. Let's also talk about the another projection, which is the CNS projection. BJP Plus here getting the majority, in fact, even crossing the 61 figure mark, and that is where very close when it comes to the complete majority that it seems to be giving to the BJP. Vote share, a whopping 49.05%. Aam Aadmi Party very low as far as 10 to 19 seats. 41.52%, and there has been another drop as far as Congress Party projections are concerned. Majority maybe 1 or 2 seats or maybe another hat trick of zero. That remains to be seen, because it seems that the Congress Party is complete, a wipeout, a washout in the national capital. So these are the projections so far. Let's go across to Isha also, who is connected with us right now, because Isha, what the people on ground are saying as Pradeep was speaking to them seems to be the very reflection of what the survey and many of them have been predicting so far. Of course, the picture would be clear in less than 24 hours to go, but it is important to know, to get the mood of the nation, to get the feel of the people there on what they are thinking.
Right, Amitabh, very good morning to you. And as the national capital moves towards a new, fresh government, the anticipation is extremely high all across. Like Pradeep also did speak to a lot of people, we're also going to do the same, because exit polls are definitely favoring BJP. But again, the credibility of the exit polls sometimes also does come into question, does come into the fray. So let us open this up to people so that we can have a conversation about what they feel and what changes do they want in their city. सर, आपने किन मुद्दों पे वोट किया? एग्जिट पोल्स कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी आ जाएगी दिल्ली में पावर पे, क्या क्या लगता है आपको?
मैम, चेंज इज द रूल ऑफ नेचर एंड चेंज इज नेसेसरी टू डेवलप टू ग्रो द
क्या शिकायतें रहेंगी आपकी, क्या शिकायतें रही आपकी आम आदमी पार्टी से दिल्ली में जो अब आप चेंज चाह रहे हैं?
मैम, सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा तो यमुना का ही था। वो कहते रह गए 10 साल में कि वी विल
डिसअपॉइंटेड है आम आदमी पार्टी से?
70%.
So Amita, you did hear that one gentleman here is stating that he is extremely disappointed. We'll have a conversation with more people. मैम, आप क्या कहेंगी? आप दिल्ली में, अगर आप थोड़ा इस तरफ हो सके, आप दिल्ली में चेंज चाहती हैं या फिर आप खुश हैं अभी सरकार से?
हम इस सरकार से खुश कैसे रह सकते हैं? हमें इस सरकार ने इतना वो कर दिए हैं, हर चीज में महंगाई है।
मैम, लेकिन ये लोग तो कैंपेन बहुत रेवड़ी पे करते हैं, बहुत बोलते हैं फ्री भी मिलते हैं, तो कभी आपको आम आदमी पार्टी से कोई फ्री भी मिली, कुछ मुफ्त में मिला आज तक?
कुछ नहीं मिला है, हमें कुछ नहीं मिला है। हम राशन कार्ड भी बनवाने गए रंजित नगर, वो भी पैसे खा के बोला कि 1500 जमा करो, और 4 साल हो गए, कुछ नहीं हुआ।
मैम, तो अब आप चाह रही हैं चेंज आए, आपको लगता है बीजेपी आपकी उम्मीदों पर खरी उतर पाएगी?
अब हम सोचते हैं कि ऐसा सरकार आए कि हम सब के सुविधाओं के बारे में हम सब के लिए सोचें, हमारे बारे में सोचें, हमारे बच्चों के। ये
आपको लगता है आपके बच्चों को निगलेक्ट कर दिया गया?
हाँ मैम, ये जो है इतना महंगाई भी नहीं, बच्चों को ट्यूशन भेज सकते हैं, नहीं स्कूल भेज सकते हैं जल्दी हमारे।
So this lady here has made an important point, Amita. She's talking about how she is unhappy with the government because no freebies that were also promised have been given to her. We'll also open this up and have a conversation with more people. Sir, अगर आप थोड़ा इस तरफ आ सके, आप क्या खुश हैं इस वक्त सरकार से? एग्जिट पोल्स कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी दिल्ली में सरकार बना लेगी, आपको क्या लगता है?
हमें तो लगता है कि केजरीवाल जी ही आएंगे।
आप केजरीवाल जी से खुश हैं?
खुश तो कोई भी नेता से नहीं है, लेकिन क्या करें।
आपको लगता है कि दिल्ली में अच्छा डेवलपमेंट हुआ, सफाई है, यमुना में कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट है?
हुआ है जी, कुछ तो किए हैं, बहुत कुछ किए हैं, महिलाओं के लिए सुविधा किए हैं केजरीवाल ने बहुत।
इतने वक्त जेल में थे, उससे कुछ उनकी इमेज पे नहीं डेंट लगा आपके हिसाब से?
नहीं, हमें तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगा जी।
So definitely, Amita, there are varied opinions when we speak on the ground, but most of them are.
Well, we've been calling it as a triangular fight, but mainly the fight is between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party, as many of them have now been talking about exactly what their expectations are. Remains to be seen if they actually do come true tomorrow or not. Thank you very much, Pradeep and Isha, for joining in. You're watching India's Election News Headquarters. This is Times Now. We will be back after a very short break.